In this tutorial, we're going to customize this makeup organizer box with a custom name. First, let's get the name and the look we want. I use Google Fonts. Find the font that has thicker lines. Get a screenshot of the name that you like. Now let's import the image into Blender. Right-click, trace image to grease pencil. Hide an image, click on the trace, go to Object, Apply, Visual Geometry to Mesh. Click Tab to enter Edit Mode, delete small pieces. A, select everything. M, merge loose vertices by distance. Now click Alt F to fill in the faces. Extrude, I'll do it by 3 millimeters in this case. Let's import your box. I'm going to reposition this halfway into the box. We'll need to resize it. When you size it, click Shift Y, not to change the Y axis. I want to keep it at 3 millimeters. Let's organize just a bit. And then to make a cutout, we need a cutter. And the cutter needs to be slightly larger so that the text will fit. So let's duplicate our text. Click Shift D to duplicate. Click / to isolate it. And then let's apply scale because I resized it outside of the edit mode. To apply the scale, click Ctrl A, apply scale. Click Tab to enter edit mode. And let's resize the outer edges of each letter. Click on face selection mode. Select all the faces using view from the top. Click Option S for Alt S, and I'm gonna size it up by 0.2 millimeters. Click / to exit the isolation mode. Click on the box, go to Edit. Click on the faces of the box that will be cut, and let's give it a bit more geometry to work with. Let's subdivide the faces several times. Click Tab to exit edit mode. Let's add a Boolean modifier. Select your cutter. If it doesn't work, click on Fast. Sometimes that helps. Hide the cutter and let's see if it worked. It did not work, and let's find out why. Click on the text. Let's see if all the faces are in the proper orientation. And everything that's red is wrong orientation. And that is because when we resized it, vertices started to intersect. The quickest solution for this is to remesh text. So go to modifiers, find the remesh modifier. To apply it, you need to exit edit mode, click apply. Let's check how that worked. That should be fine. Now let's go back. Click / to exit isolation mode. Click on a box, add a Boolean modifier, select your cutter. Now let's hide the cutter to see if it worked. If it did, let's apply the modifier. That looks good. Let's export your files. We'll do the box separately from the name. Now import everything into your slicer. I will not use supports for this. The printer can handle small overhangs. Let's import the text. And we just need to check that there are enough walls printing each letter. Yes, that should work. And there you go.